Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program an Audi A4 key. Many Audi owners find themselves needing to reprogram their key fob, especially after a battery change or if the remote functions stop working. We will cover the two main types of key programming, one for your remote locking and unlocking features, and another for the car's immobilizer, which allows the engine to start. This easy guide will help you understand the process. To synchronize your remote key fob, first, sit inside your Audi A4. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the accessory position, where your dashboard lights illuminate. While the key is in this position, press and hold the unlock button on your key fob for at least 2 seconds. Some models may require holding it for up to 20 seconds. Then, turn the key off, remove it from the ignition, and release the unlock button. Test your remote functions immediately. Immobilizer programming is a more complex process, essential for your Audi A4 to recognize the key and allow the engine to start. Unlike remote synchronization, this usually requires specialized diagnostic equipment, such as VCDS, and often involves retrieving a unique security code from your vehicle. For new keys, or if your car won't start, professional locksmiths or Audi dealerships are typically needed. Attempting this without proper tools or knowledge can prevent your car from starting. Maintaining your Audi A4 key fob is straightforward. If your remote stops working, first check or replace the battery, typically a CR2032 coin cell. After changing the battery, you will likely need to perform the remote synchronization steps we discussed. For peace of mind, consider having a spare key programmed by a professional. Remember, for any issues beyond simple remote syncing, especially with the immobilizer, seeking expert help is always the safest option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.